Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to learn again the previous topics, but in detail. We do today the postmortem of different figure start with a square. I hope you will understand it clearly by just focusing and listen carefully. Here, as you are seeing, this is a figure of a square. In a square, what we see? It's by looking you all see that the side AB, BC, CD, DA all are equal. What you're showing here? All sides are equal. Just what you see, just you write. It's make it is so easy. What you see, just write. You are seeing AB, BC, CD, DA are equal. So we are going to write here AB is equal to BC. BC is equal to CD. Sorry, I make it clear. AB, BC, CD and DA. All sides, all are sides are क्या है? Equal. AB, BC, CD, DA. All sides are equal. What I am seeing here? Another thing. What I am seeing? That all sides are meet each other as at perpendicular at 90 degree. So just we write, and all our angles are equal also. All are 90 degree. So angle A is equal to angle B. Just as it is looking by seeing without in a naked eye, no need any microscope to visualize it. Just by simply seeing, you can identify these angle are all 90 degree. Just it's बिल्कुल simple. Sides are equal. Just simple things. Angle are equals and 90 degree. It's so simple. You can just by seeing. Now again we will try to go find the another thing by going its insides, and here as you simply see other thing is, and it's already you know that in any quadrilateral, just like in triangle, what we know, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. So here also what we in quadrilateral, what happen, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D is always equal to 360 degree. So this is the basic thing, but for the recap and recall, I mention you so it will set in your mind. So now we further go forward to see what is the next property and its behavior or characteristics. So what we see is diagonal A to C, opposite. This is you know that already, but we say when two lines meet at a point, this is called vertex. This is called vertex A, this is called vertex B, vertex C, and vertex D. Then vertex A, the opposite vertex AC, when meet join together, then the line AC is called diagonal. When so you can as easily assume when this line and this line is equal. When you draw this line, what is the length of this? Will be the same if you also just by shifting it. This is the same triangle. This is the just same triangle. Just by moving its sides, this is also the same. This side is also is whatever length, all are same. Then this length is this length same. Then we draw from this to this. The line will be always be same, and it is right angle triangle. Also by Pythagoras theorem, you also know that if this side is this s square plus s square, here also is s square plus s square. So we know that Pythagoras theorem s square plus a hypotenuse square. So here also s square plus hypotenuse square. When this thing is same, h is always be same. So you can also prove it by Pythagoras theorem. But it is generally it's just by naked eye without any much knowledge. You can assume, not assume, but only find that when these sides are equal, then this line will be always equal in different triangle. If triangle are just so here this and this side equal, so this line AC is equal to, because here also this side is equal, so line BD is also the same. So what we get after just little bit think, we find that BD is equal to AC. Both are diagonals, but we easily find that this will be always be equal. When sides are equal, the diagonal of the triangle are also equal. So here you easily find these three things by just by small, just apply your mind without any going much deeper. You can easily find this thing, these three properties. All sides are equal, all angles are cutting each other at 90 degree and equal also. So angle A, angle B, angle C and angle D all are equal and equal to what? 90 degree. And as the in a right angle triangle, if both sides are equal, then whatever hypotenuse, when both sides are equal, hypotenuse will be same. So here what will be the hypotenuse? For here also the same hypotenuse. So if this AC and BD are hypotenuse for triangle, this and this, so it will be always be same. So you understand these three things. Now I will go further to check what at the center point. When both sides are equal, and diagonal, then this line cut will be at 90 degree. What will 90 degree? Then what will happen? Angle 1 is equal to angle 2 and angle 3 equal to angle 4. All will be 90 degree. Just simple. If it will become 90 degree, then therefore what will happen? This small triangle OABOBC, all four triangles is also a right angle triangle. Like this big triangle ABC is also right angle triangle. This is small, but all are right angle triangle. Now, by going further, we also find is relation between these when the diagonal divides the angle A. We consider it as a 5 and 2. The 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then what will be the relation of this? As we know that simple in right angle triangle, just we assume here like this. So we make it equal in length like this and this. Here A, B and C. This triangle I will, it is small. Here it is 90 degree. When it is 90 degree, you know the right angle triangle and these lengths are equal. Then what will happen? These degree are also equal. This side this and this opposite this. What will equal? Then we know that the total angle of triangle is 180. This is 90. The remaining part will be what? This and this. X plus x is equal to 90 degree. Always be 90 degree. Then 2x is equal to what? 90. Then 2, after cutting this, we get x is equal to 45. So this means what? This 5 and 8 will be 90 degree. And so on also. In this is also the same right angle triangle like this ABC also. The same thing is for ADC. Here angle 12, angle 9 is also 45 degree. What will you get? Here angle. So what we get? All are equal like this and like this. If you take the triangle as this BCD like this, so this angle and this angle are also 45. If you take this angle and this angle, all are what we get? All are equal and what will be the 45 degree? Angle 5 is equal to angle 6. Angle 6 are equal to angle 7. Angle 7 is equal to angle 8. Angle 8 is equal to angle 9. Angle 9 is equal to angle 10. Angle and so on. Angle 10 is equal to angle 11. Angle 11 is equal to 12. Or all are what? 45 degree. So what we get after postmortem? These characteristics, these behaviors we get from the inside of this square body. This square body we get all these properties. Okay, all the angles 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 5 and 12 all will be what? Equal and 45 degrees. So these are the basic properties of a square. I think we covered all this property. This for a square, this is also a side, this is also the side, all are equal, but for the perimeter what we know, the all sides when we add together is just a perimeter. When we all side s plus s plus s, the what will be perimeter will be 4s, and we already know that area is what? Base into height. Here base is just like side. What is side is given? This is base for him, and height is what? Because it is 90 degree. So height is will be also sides maybe in different shape. When rhombus, when side is different and height is will be different, but here it is 90 degrees, so it is base and height will be same as side, so it will become side square. So also the base of the formula is base into height, and perimeter is what? Adding the all is 4 side. So here side is equal, so it become 4s. So hope you understand this. Now we go to another figure. So I am just erasing it. Hope you understand. What will the benefit of it? If you understand all what we learn from this, you have learned how to visualize the thing. If you see anything, how you can relate and find the properties of it, and in the geometrical figure, how can you identify its property, but just by going one by one, going inside. It's just by carefully visualizing anything in your life. It is learn you by visualizing anything in practical life. You can identify his properties, his behavior, either as a man or any equipment or anything. Just one thing, let you think many things in life. For example, here if we draw a rhombus like that, here is a side A, B, C and D. After drawing its diagonal, and its diagonal also like this. Create it also cuts center at 90 degree. We denote 90 degree by just like this. And also we can make like 5, 6 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Now we start postmarking of this figure. Also this is called rhombus. Rhombus. It is same as a square but just tilt and bend. So what we know, it is looking all sides are equal. Also in sides are also equal, but it is just bend. So after bend, what will we see? If a line is straight like this, it will be 90 degree. It will be 90 degree. Then what will happen? If it will bend like this, it means it become less than 90 degree. And anything line, then what will this becomes also, if this line bend, this line also bend, then what will be? Its angle increase, its angle decrease. Its angle decrease from here to here, just like it is 90, then it will become 70. What will be the its angle? If it is 90, then it becomes 100, because sorry, if it is 70, then it becomes 110. Why? Because always in the same ratio. If it is line parallel, because this two combination will always be 180. You know that why? In a, you know this thing, when a two parallel line cut by a traversal line, then these inner angle of same side will be what? Equal to 180 degree. These two this sum is equal to always be what? 180, like here also and here also. And outer side, one outer of same side and one inner of same side is always equal. Like if it is 1, it is 2, it is 3, then angle 1 is always equal to angle 3. And angle 2 plus angle 3 is equal to 180 degree. This is the basic thing. So just I remind, if you don't know, then you already know about these things. So here if we both lines are just like same, if we both we bend together, so what we see here also, angle here is decreasing, here angle increasing. How much I bend here, how much is decrease, how much is increase, same to same, because we are making line having parallel, not changing the parallel line. So it's always increase or decrease in the same ratio and same way. So that's why here what we see here, angle A or angle B is not 90 degree. Angle A is what? Angle A is less than angle B. Sorry, we have to clearly write here, otherwise if we angle this line bend, we keep this line straight for angle. Angle A is less than both are in a curve figure, and angle A is less than angle B. What we notice, angle A is less than angle B, and in the same manner, just because A and C are both B is equal, angle C here is also what? Angle less than angle D. Just when we see from this side, we easily can see that this angle are same with this and this angle are same with this. So both are, we get less, but sum of this, what we get, the sum of this and this will always be 180, and sum of this and this will always be 180. And we already know and as it is, angle A is equal to C and angle B is also equal to D. What we see, angle A is same to angle C and angle B is same to angle D. What will remain? Angle A is same to angle C, angle B is same to angle D, but B is greater or and angle A is smaller. Like here, angle C is smaller, angle D is greater. So if angle A plus D is equal to 180 and C plus angle D is 180, then you can, by either both are equal to angle C plus angle B is also in crossing, and A plus D also will be 180, and by adding all together we already know it is always be 360. So here what we come in result, we see in result, we write here angle A is equal to angle C and angle B is equal to angle D. And also we notice that angle A plus angle B is equal to 180. Like in square also, it is 90, it is 90, it is also 180. Here also 180, but here it is not 90, that is not 90. It is greater, it is lower, but sum will be always 180. So angle A plus angle B is 180, and angle C, angle A plus angle B, and angle C plus angle D, angle C plus angle D is equal to 180. And here we also know that A is equal to C, A is equal to C. So we can overchange it by this to this by any equation, because either we can write C plus B is equal to also 180 degree, and here A plus D is also equal to 180 degree. So A plus D is also 180 degree, and A plus B is also 180 degree. Like this, C plus B is also 180, and C plus D is also 180. So hope you understand this relation. So let me check, have a break, and after that I will continue. Okay. So just after a small break, we again here to seeing further, understand further what we other things we can get after postmarking this. What we get here after postmortem, we get here, and here what we see, we see by angle seeing what is the relation. Right? After seeing side is same like a square. AB is equal to same as BC, and BC is same is equal to CD, CD is also AD. All are equal by side. But angle wise, what is difference? I already seen. So I separately try to understand you. So it is little different. It is difficult. So I taken AB, BC, CD, DA. All sides are equal. And angle A, B, C, D relation I have also taken. What we see now about diagonal. Here vertex A and vertex C when meet AC, here AC and BD are not equal to BD. Sorry, AC is BD. The diagonal is BD and AC are not equal. Why not equal? Because it's bending. How much its angle bend? Like this, like this. How much is angle bend? It is this diagonal is become short, or this diagonal become long. You see, and this angle becomes shorter, this angle becomes longer. So I hope you understand what will happen if we bend it more. So, and here what will happen on the center, AC is not equal to BD, but here on the point O, when AC cuts BD, then what will happen? It's divide the length AC, diagonal AC in equal part. This means OA is equal to OC. What will happen? OA is equal to OC. It is also in a square also, and here AC is not BD, so OA is not equal to OD and OB, but in OB is equal to OD, OB is equal to OD. So this is equal to this is equal to this, but in this, as you can see clearly, this is longer one and this is shorter one. So this is not equal to this, but this is equal to this is equal to this. So this part is same as like this part is same like this. When we diagonal cuts each other, in square what we will see, all are equal. OA, OB, OC, OD all are equal to each other, all same. So this is the difference between a square and rhombus. First is the angle of the side. In a square it is always in 90 degree all, but here it is one is less than 90 degree, other one is greater than 90 degree. Here we see the one or in diagonal, all the diagonal also same, AC and BD are same in a square, but here we see one is larger, is exceed AC is greater than BD. Here also in example you are seeing exactly AC is greater than BD. AC length of a diagonal AC is always be greater than BD. If it is little bent, then it is little larger. If it is more bent, it is more larger. But it is always be large. Diagonal AC will always be larger than BD. So that's why its OA is OC is equal to, but OA is not equal to OB, and the AC is not equal to BD. So hope you understand this thing clearly. How a square and rhombus, this thing make difference. But as a square and rhombus, both these things are also same, like side. When side are also equal, then the angle making on the center by cutting diagonal is also equal. Angle 1 is equal to angle 2, angle 2 is equal to angle 3, angle 3 is equal to angle 4, all are equal to 90 degree. What will happen? Angle will be also same in 90 degree as like a square, because the side are same. Here what we see here, if you go further like this, you try to change here, but height it is h, but here what we see in rhombus, height is not same as side. Height will be lesser. How much it is bent, height will be smaller. Bending increasing, height decreasing. So hope you understand also this difference, square and rhombus. After seeing this the figure, you can realize. So what will be here? The perimeter will be same as a square, 4 into side. So here also, because side are also equal, so same as like a square, 4 into side. But in area, in a square, side into side, because base and height are also same, but here base is same as a side. Base is here is what? As a side, but it is side is not same as height, so its height is different. Here is what the base is this and height is different. So here the area will be what? Its sides into heights. So hope you understand why its area formula become changed due to its figure. Base formula is same, base into height, but here base is same as side, but height is not same as side, so the formula is different, become different. So you formula understand. We further go in the deeper in the angle section. What we see here, also we see here also we notice that when any triangle, when both sides are equal like this, that if we call also isosceles triangle, in any isosceles triangle when two sides are equal, this means kya? These sides are also equal. What will happen? These sides are also equal. So we see here clearly this side are equal. This means what? 8 is equal to 5. What we notice? Angle 8 is equal to angle 5. And like this figure, DAC, angle 9 is equal to angle 12. Angle 9 is equal to angle 12. But we know that by alternate interior angles property, when two parallel lines passing and one traversal line cutting, here traversal line is AC, then the alternate interior angles like Z shape, like this 9 is equal to 5. The line is equal to angle 5. This will what showing? Okay, all angles are actually 9 become 5. This means 8 is equal to 5, 5 is equal to 9, 9 is equal to 12. It means all are equal to each other. So here we what we see, just apply our little mind. We find that angle 5 is equal to angle 8 is equal to angle 9 is equal to angle 12. Or same by also in this way. You can easily find this side are equal to angle 6 or angle 11 become equal. Angle 6 angle 11, when this side 7 or 10 are equal, and by Z alternate in anterior angle 10 is equal to 6, so all are equal here also. So angle 6 is equal to angle 7 is equal to angle 10 is equal to angle 11. In square, this both are equal to 45 degree, but here it is not 45 degree, it is always be less than 45 degree, or it is always be greater than 45 degree, because it is total is always greater than 90 degree, then it's half. 6 7 is equal and half, so its angle always be greater than 45 degree, its angle always be less than 90 degree. As we see earlier, what we see earlier, angle A is always less than 90 degree, and angle B is always be greater than 90 degree. So like this it's half, so it's always be less than 45 degree, and it's always greater than 45 degree. So just by seeing, realizing as visualizing, when you see, just think little bit after seeing the picture, slowly your mind catch, by automatically your mind catch these things, how these things look like and how this angle behave. But just you have to give time by watching the figures. If you watch the figures, then you understand it. If your basic is clear, if you know basic things, then it will be easy for to understand these things. So I hope you understand these things also. So let me check. I think I have covered all the things. It's angle, part, internal, 1 2 3 4 all equal, and diagonals relations and side relations, perimeter and rhombus, perimeter and area also, right? So I hope it is okay for today. For next we will do postmortem of like same this rectangle and parallelogram also. This is, I think you do not need to, it is, remember, just you have to make a practice in your rough notebook. You practice these things by making the figure. You slightly think like me. How I think, just by drawing the picture and make the angle. So practice yourself without watching the video, and check if you are able to do it, then it is okay. Then not in one time, then watch again the video and practice it again. So after 2-3 times practicing, you will perfectly able to write all these properties of this figure. So also become doctor, like MBBS doctor. Here you the math become math doctor to postmortem the geographical not geometrical figure. Geometrical figure. It is a 2D figure in geometry, and it is also called quadrilateral because it is quadra means 4. So it is a 4 side, surrounded by 4 sides, closed by 4 sides. So it is also a quadrilateral. Like triangle, 3 sides, so it's called triangle. So have a nice day. Hope you like it. So subscribe, watch, and share it also. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Bye bye.